Have you been streaming Paramount Plus with NordVPN without issues, and then, suddenly, it just stopped working? Yeah, you're not the only one. Now, if you don't already have NordVPN, I've left a link below with the best discount so you can set it up properly for streaming. Recently, Paramount has been cracking down on VPN traffic, leaving many people locked out with error codes and failed streams. In this video, I'll explain what's going on behind the scenes and walk you through several fixes you can try today. So why is this happening? It comes down to streaming rights. Paramount Plus has regional content licenses, and they only want people inside the US to see certain shows and live sports. VPN providers like NordVPN use commercial data center IP addresses, and those are easy for Paramount to detect and block. That's why, even after switching servers or clearing your cache, the issue doesn't magically go away. Inside the NordVPN app, you can change the connection protocol. Start with NordWhisper. It's built for cases where streaming services try to detect VPN traffic. If NordWhisper doesn't connect properly, switch to OpenVPN UDP. That option often works better than the default Nord links when you're trying to bypass streaming restrictions. Don't just bounce around random servers. Stick to big US hubs like New York, Los Angeles, or Chicago. In some cases, one server in the same city will get blocked while another is still fine. For example, New York Server 2 may be flagged, but New York Server 5 might work. Testing within the same region usually has better results. If you connect through the NordVPN browser extension, make sure two things are enabled: WebRTC leak protection and timezone spoofing. Without those, Paramount can detect your actual location or notice that your computer clock doesn't match your VPN location. For the most reliable workaround, consider using a private exit node. Here's how it works. If you have a friend or family member in the US, they can run a free tool called Tailscale on their home network. Once they set up an exit node, you can route your traffic through their connection. From Paramount's perspective, it looks like you're simply browsing from their home internet, not a VPN. This method is far harder for streaming services to detect. Sometimes Paramount updates its blocking rules so quickly that no VPN server works. In that case, you've got a couple of choices. You can wait for NordVPN to refresh its IP addresses, which usually happens after a while. You could try a different VPN temporarily. Or, if you need an immediate solution, look into a residential proxy, though that's often more expensive. So if your Paramount Plus streams are failing with NordVPN, don't give up. Try switching protocols, test multiple servers, adjust your extension settings, or set up a private exit node with someone in the US. One of these options should get you back to streaming without those annoying error messages. If you found a method that works, share it in the comments. It could help someone else out.